I'm Sweety and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about highlighters. Those are my only highlighters. So I'm going to be swatching all of them onto my hands and then applying two of them onto my face because I've got a full face of makeup with the use of literally no highlighter at all. But if you can see any light flashing on my face, it's just because of my oil glands and sweat glands. So bear with me. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So first up on my list is this highlighter from Maybelline New York. It's the Master Strobing stick, and let's see the shade. I'm sorry I cannot find the shade actually. I'll link it down or mention it down in the description box. So let's go ahead and swatch it first. It's a strobing stick basically. I have got one stick, one liquid highlighter, and the rest are one fade. The rest are normal highlighters, so powder highlighters I mean. So let's go ahead and swatch them. Stick highlighter actually has pinkish undertone to it. I hope the camera can capture it. So it does not give you a very glossy look, very watery kind of look, but you know, it just gives you a good sheen. It's like from the within glow. So for our second highlighter, it's the MegaGlo Hello Liquid Highlighter. Yeah. So this is how the packaging looks like. I hope the camera is capturing. So let's go ahead and swatch it. This is really a very pigmented highlighter, as you can see. It's a very pigmented highlighter. Yeah. Even this has a bit of silverish pinkish undertone to it. So this was our second highlighter. Let's go ahead and see the baked one now. So it's the Incolor baking highlight. This is the packaging. Actually, I don't use this highlighter because it does not match my skin tone. It does not match my shade. It's, you know, a bit whitish and not to my liking. So my fourth highlighter is gonna be this. It's very big tan. Yeah, so this is the highlighter from Illuminate. So let's go ahead and swatch it. I hope you can see this. Take some more. I'll just show you. So this is it. You can see. It does not have that glittery feeling to it. So you will not see chunks of glitter on your face, but it will have a very nice, you know, within like glow, but nice within like glow. It's not very minimal, it's good. The amount I love, this is the amount which I love. So now I have got another one from Maybelline. It's the most people's favorite. It's the Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Facestudio highlighter. So this is how it looks. It's in the shade 100 Molten Gold. Actually, I broke this very badly. This highlighter is literally suitable for all kind of skin tone. Can you see this? Like, it's very pretty. Take some more of it. Can you see this? Yeah, it's very pretty. The highlighter is very pretty. So for my sixth highlighter, we have the Lakme Face Sheer highlighter. This highlighter actually comes with a cushion which I have taken off because it was very hard for me to apply using that cushion thing. It was like an attached cushion. So it was attached with some kind of glue. I just took that cushion out. So it's just left out like this. You can see some highlighter coming out. Shade. So this highlighter is in the shade Sun Kissed. So for my last highlighter, it's not a single pan highlighter, but I have got this palette, which is Maybelline New York Master by Facestudio Contour Palette. And as you can see, this is the highlight shade. It looks very chalky and powdery, but on skin it does not really look like this. It's not bad. It's not the most amazing highlighter, but it's not bad. So this is the highlighter. The pigmentation is not very good, but it looks okayish on the skin. And yeah, I did not show you guys the Lakme highlighter swatch. So let me just show you that also. I've like thrown most of it on my room right now. So this is the Lakme highlighter. You guys see? It's very nice. It's for the bronzy skin tone, so it's very pretty. The color is very pretty. So as we are done with the swatches, now we are going to be applying two of my highlighters onto my cheekbones and the rest of my face where it needs to be highlighted. So I'm going to be applying the Revolution Pro pan, and the other one I'm going to apply this Maybelline one, Jeff Pro badly. So let's start.
So here I'm using some random brush. I don't use the fan brush, which is generally used for highlighting.
Gonna be taking some more of it. Can you guys see? So after rubbing off the highlighter completely from the brush, I'm taking the other one, that is the Maybelline one. I use very little of it. It's a little dark for my complexion. And this is a very pretty highlighter. So I'm back after highlighting the rest of my portions of my face. So yes, here I'll be ending my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.